Stop right here if you want to get NBA 2K23 on your mobile devices. So guys, today I'll be showing you step by step how you can get it both on your iOS and Android devices. I want to mention though guys that it won't work on some really old iOS devices like iPhone 5s and iPhone 4s. It won't work unfortunately on them, but all about that it will work, and also on Android of course. So guys, this is so crazy method. It's so much fun because literally you have NBA 2K23 here in your pocket. You can access it whenever you want, which is so crazy. So guys, if something like this interests you, let's start the video guys. So guys, here it is, NBA 2K23 on my mobile. So as you can see guys, it is the fully working app. I can go ahead and even move it just so you can see it is real. So guys, let me open it up. So guys, NBA 2K23, you have this joystick and you can go ahead guys, play it however you want. As you can see, here I am in the quick play, but I won't bore you with that guys. Let's start the tutorial how to get it actually. So guys, to get NBA 2K23, the first thing we need to do guys is to prepare a mobile device for the installation of the NBA 2K23 on our mobile. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to settings. If you're Android guys, you don't need to prepare a mobile device at all for the installation. You can skip to the part where I open up my browser and show where to get NBA 2K23 from. So guys, if you're iOS, simply head over to the general guys, then a background app refresh, and make sure guys that it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now I have to do a couple more things here, so just go ahead guys, find the battery settings, here it is. And make sure guys that the low power mode is turned off. So guys, you'll know when it's on because the battery color will be yellow. Okay guys, now one last thing here in settings. You need to find guys the general settings. Again, then go to the about. And make sure guys that your software version or the iOS version is iOS 12 or above. So guys, as you can see, mine is 15.4.1, so I'm good to go. So guys, and now all you have to do is to simply head over to the comments below and simply check out the rest of the video. I can show you everything unfortunately in this video because NBA 2K23 will ban it right away. They don't want you to have this on mobile. And guys, that's basically it. Leave a like on this video if you successfully got NBA 2K23 on mobile. See you in the next video.